Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to access and use point-of-sale reporting in the system. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Head to the point-of-sale module. Then click on Reporting. Let's begin with the first section, Orders. This page shows you all your products along with their overall order history. On the upper left, you'll find a search bar to quickly look up any product. Next, you have filters. You can filter by status, customer, product, and more. You can also save your favorite filters for easy access in the future. Then there's the Export All option, which lets you export your orders into an Excel sheet. You'll also see column visibility, where you can choose which columns you want to display in your report. And for a better view, you can switch to full screen mode. To view the orders of a specific product, simply click on it and you'll see all the related orders listed. Now, let's move to the second section, Sales Details. This takes you to the POS sales report. From the top, you can apply filters to customize your view. You can specify the date range in the POS session you want to generate the report for. Once ready, you can export the report as a PDF or an Excel file. Lastly, you can also generate a sales report directly from the POS session. When you're done with your sales and ready to close the register, click the button on the upper left. Select Close Register. From there, you'll be able to download the sales report. And that's it, you've successfully explored POS reporting in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.